So hello and welcome to this application walkthrough. So this application is built using Streamlit, which is a simple Python framework for creating interactive web applications, mainly data applications. So this application is developed on Streamlit. So for the analysis, we need files. So if you already have the file, you can directly browse files. But if you do not have the file, just click this link and download the file for your particular quantity. So here I am interested in BZ. So BZ means magnetic field is in Z direction. So if I'm interested in magnetic field in Z direction, so I will click on this link and download this file. So since I've already downloaded the file, because these files are 480, it will take certain amount of time. So I've already downloaded the file. So let's browse the file and upload this file. So this file has been uploaded. So after the file uploading is finished, here we will be presented with the input form. So this form is asking for your, let's first see the Z position. So it's asking for the Z position on which we want to see the magnetic field. So let's keep this 4.84. So at 4.84, we will be having an XY plane in which the magnetic field will be distributed. So so this XY plane is will be means all the points. So if you want a specific portion in that XY plane, let's select that as well. So if you want this from 5.52 megameters to 9.09 megameters, how the magnetic fields means behave in this between these two and these 2 points. So remember, keeping this x axis end point greater than x axis start point, like x2 greater than x1 and the y2 greater than y1. Okay, so after giving the inputs, run the analysis. Here you will see the analysis has been run. So this run analysis is finished. So after this we will see a plot. We can maximize it. So this we see the magnetic field over here, how it is distributed in the Z is equal to 4.84 megameters, and this is the portion which we were interested in after we selected the x1, x2 and y1, y2. So this is that the portion which we are interested in. So this is the magnetic field in that particular position. Here we can see different values according to the colors. So since you have to again maximize and minimize it, so there's a feature of in the setting known as wide mode. Ac- Activate it, and we can see this whole screen is now occupied with the application. This application is running in the wide mode. No need to again maximize. So now this is the analysis for that particular portion. This is the right hand side plot. And now here we are presented with the values of all at the 4 points, like x1 at this point, x1 y1. This point denotes to this point, like no, this point x2 x1 y2. This point is x2 y1, and this point is x2 y2. So this 4 points data is how much magnetic field is present in each of these points. Here is the aggregate analysis, means minimum, maximum, mean for the whole plane, and minimum, maximum, mean for the selected part, means this part. What is that? Minimum, maximum, mean values of magnetic field. This is the whole plane magnetic field. We can use it for our documentation purposes, like copy image, save image, like this. And since this image contains annotations, this image is clean, you can use this for the documentation. So if this is completed now, we can rerun for different values. Let's rerun for the different values. So here we are, once again. Let's color different color map. Color map is means nothing. This is the scheme for the plots, which make it easier to interpret the data visually. And color scheme for the plots. So let's uh, take the just earth. Just move this value to 6.97. Keep the area of interest same. So run the analysis. Yeah, here we are given with that magnetic field at Z is equal to 6.972 megameters. This is the how it looks like in magnetic field, and this is the analysis. The values, this is the aggregate analysis. This is the values at those 4 points. This is the complete picture. And if you want to rerun one more time, just rerun this for different values. If you finished rerunning, just click on this reset form will be clearing all the plots and resetting the values. Now let's go down. If you want to take another file, so remove this file from here, browse different file, and open it and do the analysis for the same way. Yeah, thanks. That's all for the application walkthrough.